Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a traditional Stony Hill, three-story dwelling for sale. It is spread across roughly 3,000 square feet of living spaces. The integrity of this unit is well preserved and need only a few updates. A very functional and practical design. Not only does it possess covered parking, but also a generous landing that takes you from the vehicle to the main building. There is also a very large living room that provides the perfect prelude to the second floor deck that invites scintillating views of Kingston Wharf and Harbor as well as St. Catherine. The kitchen is certainly contemporary, from the floating cupboards to large kitchen peninsula and meal prep areas. The grounds features a plethora of exotic plants as well as fruit trees that shelter a 20-meter multi-purpose platform suitable for basketball or badminton. There are adequate storage rooms external to the main building as well as a fully contained helper's quarters. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 630,000 or Jamaican $96.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.